Welcome to my channel. Let's create a clean and modern poster design in Adobe Illustrator. Let's get started. First, create a new document and set the workspace size to A4 and pick. Now select the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle that covers the entire canvas. Next, go to the gradient panel, select radial or circular gradient, and choose colors of your choice. I'm selecting these colors here, but feel free to experiment with any combination you like. Now select the pencil tool, set the stroke on and fill to none, and draw a freeform shape on the canvas. I'm choosing this shape here. If the path looks rough, remove unnecessary anchor points to make it smoother. Use the direct selection tool to adjust the nodes and refine the shape as needed. Hold Alt and drag to create a copy of the shape. Make the copied shape smaller and adjust both shapes until you're satisfied with the placement. Now select both shapes. Next, select Object, then Blend and click Make. Click on Object, go to Blend and choose Blend Options. Set specified steps to 30. Enable Preview. Now choose the Gradient tool, select a gradient, and apply two colors of your choice. Drag across the blended shape to control the gradient direction and effect. Once done, hold Alt and drag to make a copy of this blended shape. Move it to the bottom side and adjust both shapes for balance. Now select the original rectangle we created at the beginning. Make a copy and place it on top of both blended shapes. Select the rectangle and both shapes together, then right-click and choose Make Clipping Mask. Next, select the text tool and type your poster title. Double-click the text. Set the fill color to white. And align it properly. Create another text body below it and repeat the same steps for styling and alignment. Now select the rectangle tool again. Drag a rectangle. Set fill to none and apply a stroke. I've chosen white for the stroke color. Select the direct selection tool, click on the bottom right anchor point, and press delete to create this open shape. Make a copy of this shape and move it to the bottom side. Adjust both shapes as needed. Select both and press Command+G to group them. Align the group properly on the canvas. Next, select the rectangle tool again. Draw a small rectangle. Set fill to white and no stroke. Duplicate it using Command-C and Command-F. Rotate the copied rectangle 90 degrees. Select both shapes, group them. Then resize them while holding Shift to maintain proportions. Make another copy and drag it to the bottom side. Rotate it if you want. You can choose not to, but I'm doing it here. And with that, our poster design is complete. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Illustrator tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching.